Hi, my name is Lisa, a digital assistant, and I am here to get you set up on Scale XP. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your prepaid expense journal in Scale XP, from recognizing advance payments to amortizing them and posting the journal, so you can properly spread costs over the periods you receive the benefit. Let's get started. From the top navigation bar, click Journals, then select Expense Recognition All Expenses. This is where Scale XP helps you automatically spread costs over the correct period and identify expenses that need to be accrued or treated as prepayments. Before you begin, click the Settings cog in the top right to review your journal configuration. Here, you can choose your default accrual and prepayment accounts, a minimum threshold to review, and more. If you code bills to more than one prepayment balance sheet account, you can select those here. You can also specify which account to use with which expense accounts. Once your settings are confirmed, return to the All Expenses page. This page only shows expenses coded directly to expense accounts. To view and allocate expenses coded directly to the balance sheet, go to Review Prepayments. Use the drop-down menu to choose the cost account for each bill or line item. Then, return to Step 1 to review all costs by expense account. You'll see a list of suppliers and bills. Use the filters at the top to narrow by account and recognition date. Click the arrow next to any supplier to expand and see bills allocated to expenses. Click Open Bill to view line item details, including cost, start and end dates. For each bill, you can adjust the start and end dates for expense recognition. For example, if a bill covers 12 months of software but is billed up front, Scale XP can spread it across all 12 months. Use the color indicators as a guide. Orange means this needs review. Scale XP has identified it as a potential prepayment or accrual. Blue means it's already included in prepayment or accrual journals. White means it will be expensed in the bill month only. No journals are required. To include a bill in journals, click the plus icon. To mark it as reviewed and exclude it, click the minus. To include or exclude at line level, open the bill, adjust start and end dates if required, and select whether to add to journals or recognize in the bill month. Once the review is complete, move to the Post Prepayments Journal page. On this page, you can see suggested prepaid expense journals by month in Section 1. This includes amounts recognized, adjusted for bills issued, and journals already posted. You can see these components in the sections below. Section 2 lists by recognition date all invoiced bill line items identified as prepayments. Total amounts to be expensed after the end date of the report appear in the prepayments balance sheet column on the right-hand side. These are the amounts you should expect to see on your prepayments balance sheet. Section 3 lists by month of issue the full billed value of prepaid bill line items coded to expenses. Section 4 lists all bill line items that are backdated from the issue date and therefore need to be recognized on or before the issue date, not prepaid. Section 5 lists previously made prepayment journals. These are used to adjust your journal recommendation so that it only picks up incremental journals required. Section 6 shows the same prepaid cost detail as Section 2, but organized by supplier rather than expense account. The journal is calculated by looking at the difference between bills to be expensed in the month, Section 2, and bills received, Section 3, after adjusting for backdated expenses, Section 4, and journals already made, Section 5. The note at the bottom of the page allows you to easily compare the prepayments balance in your accounting system to that expected by Scale XP. Once you are happy with the proposed journal recommendations, click the Post Journal button to post the journal for the month. Scale XP will generate the correct debits and credits to the expense and prepaid asset accounts. Review the draft entries. Click the Download Journal Detail button to generate all backup detail to attach to your journal. Then type Confirm to post the journal entry into your accounting system and attach the detail to the post. This sends the journal to your accounting system for inclusion in your month-end close. Sync to see the impact in Scale XP. By automating this process in Scale XP, you'll ensure that prepaid expenses are matched to the periods you benefit from them, improving accuracy, reducing manual journals, and streamlining your month-end. If you have any questions, our support team is here to help. Simply email support@scalexp.com and our team will be in touch. Thank you.